Hey everyone, so in this class I'm going to give you 3 quick tips that will help you a lot in whatever you do with ChatGPT. The first one is that use a lot of those topics. Whenever you can, use those topics. I have used a lot for major topics here like SQL, Unity, Git, for small topics in Portuguese for my other course in Portuguese, and now I'll be using these in English as well because otherwise, let me just show you something for pickleball, for example. It might grow very big very fast, like how can I find something here, and it was just half a day of using it. So use a lot of those topics. Let's even use these ones to say 5 current limitations. Okay, so that's the first tip. The second tip is that, and let me show you this here, even in Portuguese it's the same thing here. If you ask him to write a sales letter for cat training, he will cut it off suddenly, and then you just say continue, because this is continue in Portuguese. Just say continue, and he'll continue from where he stopped. And why is this tip important? Because everything else you might say, he might understand as a new prompt and interrupt whatever you are trying to ask him. So it would be unnecessarily long, So just say continue. That's the second tip. And the third tip is that whenever you start asking something for him that you don't like, let's ask like, what do you think about vegan food? And like you just realize you didn't meant to ask this or something else, you can just click on this stop generation here, because otherwise sometimes he can give very lengthy answers. So you just want to stop him whenever you can. And also a fourth bonus tip, delete topics that you won't be using. So you keep it neat and tidy. Even though there are like 30 topics here, it's, believe me, much more tidier than it would be if I hadn't created any topics. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.